Okay, I'm back in my garden shed. This FRG 7700 frog. I just put a bridge rectifier in it because the bridge rectifier in it had blown. But the bridge rectifiers they sent me, although the same number, were a lot wider. So obviously I had to sort of manipulate the pins. But by doing that, they're lower to the board, which I don't like. And it does get red hot, but I'll show it is working, it does come on. 120 metres.
I don't know because I called 41, 62 and 70.
Well, the only thing I can do
on 20, but absolutely nothing else.
is to limit the use. I used it for left it on for about an hour. I know that thing's getting red hot.
Enjoy your radio and everything. Night 6 Tango Papa Sugar. Florida 4.
This here. I ain't got it plugged in, but this I've got fine tuning, short wave 1, 2, 3, mode is SBB and CW and all that. But I haven't picked no side bands up on it or anything like that. I've tried it a few days, I ain't long got it. I put an outside area on it as well, about 10. But that one in the middle here, with a dodgy dial, all I get on this really, is AM, is from time to time, and not all the time, is foreign lorry drivers. But it does work, it's a home base AM, you know, CB thing. As you can hear that, it's working. But you see I'm limited to the bits and pieces I've got, a couple of old oscilloscopes, sounds these, Variac, you know, one of them switching power supplies, signal generator, counter or whatever, and this here, or crank, whatever, you know, test meter, so. Oh, and I've got one of them little bowfin things there, so I don't think much of them, to be honest. But this is all I've got room for, where I'll sit. Couple of walkie-talkies, loads of junk, like loads, it's not junk really, and stuff like that. And this one I'm pointing, this Pi radio, which was made in Cambridge, England, I did get that working, it does work. I've got one of the tubers or valve, as I say in England, and the display light weren't working, and that also acts as a fuse. This one here is dead as a door now. I've got no valves, no tubes or anything like that. This one here at the bottom does come on, this valve, but you can tune it to your, you know, drop down dead. It don't tune nothing. But this I've got recently, steeple-tone world radio, and it's excellent, it is. It really picks up well. I'm quite pleased with that. It's really cheap as well, and it's all there. There's no aerials broken or nothing like that. I've got it running off the mains, and you know, it works quite well. But anyway, this is, if you can see it, the one what blue you can see in the corner. But the ones they sent me, as you can see here, in that packet here, is a lot bigger and a lot wider. So I had to bend the pins. I don't like this getting very, I know they can go up to 150 degrees, supposedly, and I don't think that's far off of that, because actually can't hold your finger on it. So that's just an update on the FRG 7700, and thank you for watching.